Hello, so basically this is rdrdAuditors.com bringing you up-to-date information regarding cybersecurity within the Web3 space, also across the board to help users, business owners, people that just want to stay safe out there. So anyway, just wanted to bring this to your attention. Anyone that actually uses Waze, which essentially is an app, and basically what has actually happened here is that a security researcher, Australian individual, actually built quite an interesting mass surveillance tool where he basically successfully linked usernames to real world identities, allowing him to pinpoint where individuals live and work. So this is a big concern in terms of sensitivity, confidential data, IP address, anonymity. So all of these things all intertwined into one. So as you can see here, this gives you a breakdown of some information regarding location. And ultimately what happened with this individual here is he basically created custom usernames. And if we just pull this up here, created custom types of usernames connected to social media. So you can be able to track and identify based on Skype, TikTok, Polar Steps, and the types of Waze usernames. So the usernames, custom usernames shows the location. So this is a big issue. And then here it gives you the report, shows you the actual location traffic report data gathered from a single user over a 3-day period. So this was actually quite a bad situation that actually took place here. And basically after he has a username, he can essentially plot it on a map and see what the user has been the whole entire lifetime. So it doesn't even just show you based on the actual location, but it shows you the whole lifetime. So it can track your whereabouts based on where you've been the whole lifetime that you've basically used in the Waze app. So this is bad. So if someone wanted to monitor you, this can give scope to potential kidnapping, hijacking, theft, crime, locating when your whereabouts and your movement. So this is a real bad situation here. And essentially what happened was, this is a massive vulnerability, a big issue. We understand that the core USP of Waze is to be able to have, the exact GPS coordinates and so on and so forth, but it goes even further, right? So basically the scale of the data just spans, so not just the US, it's worldwide, as we basically seen. It connects to the Waze's usernames, and it really goes down to the whole situation. So this whole anonymous aspect is just literally thrown out the window, and this is a real massive concern. So after this individual actually built this interesting app, we then had an update whereby Waze actually updated their data, and I think there's an update. Yes, they updated the information and removed the username field from reports shown on the live map. And basically this individual saying, I would still encourage users to turn on invisible mode. Okay, so invisible mode will enable you to basically not be located based on a live app. So clearly it just shows that even with Waze that have raised probably hundreds of millions of dollars, it's $1 billion valued company, it's used by millions of people all over the world, even up until, and they've been around, they've been live for years. And even now that someone can basically just build out this surveillance script tool and have access to basically show your exact locations via the lifetime, shows you, sets a precedent of where you are. And also then says, where's the OPSEC where's the cybersecurity department within Waze, right? A sophisticated surveillance tool that helps with mapping. Even then they had issues. So this just goes back to the same scenario. If you're a company, if you're an individual, you have a project that's online, you have a business that's generating revenues, that's your lifeblood, that's how you make money. Make sure that you are conducting security tests, penetration tests, OPSEC, to make sure that there isn't any vulnerability within your systems, front end, back end, protocols, smart contracts. We are here to help. So reach out to us. We can help you with anything. We can just take a look at what you require. We'll give you a a quotation, the timeline, what's required, and we'll give you a report. So reach out to us. Please like, subscribe, follow, and back to you another one. Bye-bye.